Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is part 2 and a brand new opportunity, and another means of you making money online. Like I said, everything I'll be taking you will be free and unique. So I will love you to pay attention to every details, to everything I've got to see and everything I see in this video, because the first phase of online business, the starting point, is actually the foundation to build a successful business on Fiverr. Like I said earlier, there are different freelancing platforms: Upwork.com, freelancer.com, and Fiverr.com. But for the start, I'll be taking you on Fiverr because Fiverr is having one of the largest marketplace with $63 million net income in a month. So with high potential buyers, we'll be taking you more on Fiverr. So guys, make sure you pay attention to every little details on how to set up profile on Fiverr. Fiverr is very strict. They are very straightforward and they favor their buyers mainly. If your profile is not outstanding on Fiverr, if you don't have a well set up Fiverr account, that means you your potentials, like chances of you getting reasonable, like potential buyers, clients and customer, is I would say is being reduced to 50-50. So today I'll be taking you on how to set up a 5-star Fiverr profile um, account for sellers. Make sure you pay attention to it. Thank you, and at the end of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Watch the video. Thank you.
So yeah, it is. I said teaching you guys to make money on Fiverr, but first you need to set up your Fiverr profile. So yeah, it is Fiverr.com. Here on Fiverr, there are this is this is Fiverr, and there are things you should know and you shouldn't do. First thing first, you mustn't open two Fiverr accounts on the same user on the same Chrome. Do you understand? So you have to avoid that for your account to uh, stay longer, for it to avoid being disabled by Fiverr security, Fiverr terms of service, and their bots. So this is Fiverr. First thing you need to do to become a seller is you need to join. You continue with Google. I already created the Gmail for it. So username Fiverr tutorial 30 join. Then now we need to verify the Gmail. You need to activate your account Fiverr. That's what it says. So you click here. Then you come down here. You go to Gmail. You scroll down. It's all about Fiverr. Then seems it seems there's fault in the Fiverr account. So update and resend. Your account is already activated. Okay. So next thing you reload it. Then you come down here to profile. Um, the first thing we are going to do, we are going to be adding an image for the image. Thank God I still have something. I'm trying to watch the time. Come here. So look at design. So use something like this. Then you come down to edit. You can see here like hard work, and consistency. Consistency is your bits. Next, profile description. Mm, you can equally say hello Fiverr community. Uh, my name is Fiverr tutorial. We are a professional digital and website developer with extensive years of experience. I have worked with different companies, both online and sorry, and offline, formal, local, and international. And I have successfully delivered 100% quality when it comes to marketing and website design. Feel free to contact me on my service. And just use the slogan, we are just one click away. So here we thanks Fiverr. Yeah, yeah, it. And that's your Fiverr description. Then you come here to add languages. I'll prefer you add 3 languages: English, 3 major language. Become an expert. You are fluent in English. Then so it's basic. We just delete this. We have French exactly. Then you are what conversational. You can start and end the conversation. And if you know you don't understand French, you can use the Google translator. Then the last one is Spanish. Conversation also updates. Then you scroll down, you link an account. Google is already linked. If you know you have any Twitter account, you need to open all these accounts, set it up, then verify it for your Fiverr account. I won't be doing that because of the time. So next is skills. What are the skills you know in website design and marketing? We have Shopify website, Shopify development, expert. We have website design, websites, websites development, expert, add websites. We have Etsy, SEO, Etsy listing, Etsy itself. These are services I know very well. That is why it's very easy for me to add them. We have Etsy listing, WordPress, WordPress, WordPress customization, and the likes. You can, if you are a professional in any aspect, you can just add different aspect of website design. But for now, I'll be choosing just this because of my time. Then education. You scroll down. You studied here in Nigeria. Nigeria. All you have to do is look for Nigeria. University name. Federal University. So your title. BSc. Then come down here. What did you major? Computer science. Graduated when? Graduated in the year 2020. You add then certificates. Certified by what? As an award for excellence. Excellence. Computing. Certified by Adobe. Adobe or Google. The year what? 2021. In the year 2021. So Next thing, you are done what with this aspect. Then the next place you need to come is, you need to scroll down here, come down to settings. What are the necessary things you need to add? Now for the first, you haven't added your phone number, so you need to add a phone number to your Fiverr account. So uh, you come to security. Here on security, you need to verify your phone number, then verify your security question. Let's say my security question set your childhood nickname. I am popularly known as Zodman. So this childhood nickname, you need to write every details of your Fiverr down, because by the time of withdrawal, you need to verify your account with this childhood nickname and your phone number. So you need to write those things down and log into your Gmail account. So you submit. So settings updated, successful. Then you come down to business. Um, sorry, business information. So business name, Fiverr tutorial, Fiverr tutorial. About business, this one is optional, but you can just say I. About business, this one is optional, but you can just say I design website and I run digital marketing based on your niche website. So select type, it's an agency. So business stage, it is already launched. You have established yourself, like you launched it already. So 2 to 5, just business industry setup. This one is you scroll down. Then you are going to look for something that benefits your niche. Something like mm, still looking. If you're a consultant, that's it there. Operational center, no. Cyber security, technology, consulting. So business website. You can easily use your Fiverr business website where you can write www.fiverr.com, .fiverr.com slash your username Fiverr tutorial. Fiverr tutorial. That's Fiverr tutorial 18 318 rather 318. Save changes. So successfully all changes saved. So all you need to do now is add phone number. Now all you just need to come here, then verify your phone number. Currently I created a Fiverr account last week, so I won't be verifying my phone number because Fiverr don't permit you verifying any number used on Fiverr. You are not able to use it again on Fiverr except you deactivate the account. So currently my Fiverr account is still active, so I won't be able to verify using my phone number. So that is all about how to set up profile on Fiverr. Mind you, there are terms and TOS that governs Fiverr profile. There are things you don't do, and there are things you should do on Fiverr. First of all, you must make sure that you don't log in two different accounts on the same user. That's first thing. Then secondly, you need to create uh, an outstanding profile. Like if you know your image is if you know your image is not clear, if it is not you, I would suggest you try and design a logo, and also make sure all details are correct. Make sure everything have been written down, or probably you can drop them in your iCloud. Just make sure you save them properly, because Fiverr don't tolerate incompetence, like nonchalant attitude. So all you have to do is like make sure things are well in place, and you know what you are doing. Sell based on your niche. So next you come down here to profile and you create gig. So that will be that about today's video. If you don't understand, you can hit me in the comment section, or probably send me a Gmail using my social media channels for me to explain further. And try and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more outstanding video. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to create outstanding gig irrespective of your skill. All you just need to do is let me know about it. Like after the video of the other one, just let me know about your niche. I will guide you on how to create gig, because recently Fiverr updated their uh, AI bots, like to deny people of their seller's profile, and everything is determinant on your profile and your gig. Thank you.